Baby duck woke up one day, time to splash and run away. Out the nest and to the pond, wiggling tail he swam beyond. He saw the fish that swam so fast, tiny bubbles floating past. Quack, 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 he laughed with cheer, happy sounds for all to hear. La 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 la, la 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 la. He met a frog upon a log, jumping high into the fog. Come and play, the baby duck said. Together they splashed till the sky turned red. Mommy duck called, come cheep, back cheep. Soon we'll waddle home beneath the moon. Baby duck's small sis then that to stay.